3.1 also has story problems in it, and that's what we're going to be looking at in this particular lesson. It's the same type of question as how do you go ahead and solve a function that's a quadratic. The question is, years ago, there used to be magazines and teens would subscribe. Nowadays, it's all on the internet. But let's say they have, on this magazine, they have 48,000 subscribers and it charges $20 per annual subscription. For $1 increase in price, so this is starting at 20, the magazine loses about 2,000 subscribers, and that goes with this, 48,000. How much should the magazine charge to maximize the annual revenue? So $1 increase in price is going to be X. And so the function, the annual revenue, so it's really R of X, revenue of X, is equal to the number of subscribers times the amount per magazine for per dollar charges amount per magazine. So to put it in terms of X, R of X is equal to the number of subscribers is going to be 48,000 minus 2,000 X, because for every 1 increase, there's going to be 2,000 decrease in subscriber, times the amount it charges for a magazine. So it's going to be 20 plus the $1 increase, the number of $1 increases for X. So as this goes up, the subscribers goes down by 2,000. Now, interesting enough, it's already in factored form. But you can also pull out a 2,000 here and of this first one and see that you're left with let's see, 2,000 out of that is going to be 24. 24 minus X times 20 plus X, which means that your X maximized or minimized is going to be at the vertex, and that's what the question really is. So this means that you're going to have two intercepts. So one intercept is going to be at negative 20, and the other one is going to be at 24. So the question is, where is that x-axis? And the way we did that was we averaged the two. And when I average the two, I end up with 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. X equals 2. So going back to the original question, it says, how much should the magazine charge to maximize the annual revenue? The increase is 2, which means that answer is going to be $22, the 20 plus the 2. What is the maximum revenue? Maximum revenue is going to be equal to 2,000 times, let's see, if X is 2, this is going to be 22 times 22, and doing that on the calculator quickly ends up with $968,000 is the maximum amount that they can actually earn. So that concludes the story problem and just an extension of the factoring of the quadratic.